So hi guys and welcome to yet another video. So in this video we'll compare these three strings, Nano G95, leaning number 7, and the most favorite and the best selling string of India, BG65. So first prospect in India is the price of the string. So first we will start with the price only. Nano G95 will cost you around 450 to 500 rupees, and when you get it strung you will end up paying 600 to 650 rupees. That's up to your stores and the availability of the strings. Leaning number 7, this is the most cheapest durable string in this range, and this will cost you around 300 to 400 rupees depending upon the color of the strings. It varies from string to string, so this will cost you around 300 to 400 rupees, and after getting strung you will end up spending 400 to 500 rupees, or maybe 600 as well. So this is BG65, the highest selling string of India, and you will get it for around 350 to 400 to 450 rupees. That varies from city to city, and you will end up spending 500 to 600 rupees after getting it strung. I have seen many people getting it strung for around 450 rupees from online stores, so you can check how it goes for you. So now the second prospect which we will talk about is the feel of the shuttle when we hit the string. So this leaning number 7, this is a soft feeling string, Nano G95 a medium feeling, and BG65 a soft feeling. So let me tell you what is the repulsion power. So repulsion power is the force between these two objects, which the force which pushes the object from this object. I mean, the shuttle is hitting this object, so the force exerted on the shuttle to push it back, so that is the repulsion power. And when we talk about the repulsion power of these three durable strings, you won't get much repulsion power in these strings, because as I told you, or maybe have not told you, that the gauge of these strings is 0.70. These two strings, surely the gauge of these two strings is 0.70 millimeter. Gauge means the thickness of the string. I'm really sorry. Okay, so the thickness of the string is 0.70 millimeter. That is called the gauge of the strings. So the repulsion is not really good when you hit the shuttle. But when we talk about this Nano G95, this is a medium feeling string. That means that the repulsion power of Nano G95 string is much better than BG65 and leaning number 7. So the repulsion power, the more repulsion power also means that the string will be less durable. So when we talk about durability, BG65 and leaning number 7, these are more durable and low in price. But when we talk about some performance, the you can say the durability is you can say matching with BG65 and leaning number 7, but as I said, the gauge is 0.69, so maybe you can say 1920. It's not much impacting with this. So repulsion power of this string is good than leaning number 7 and BG65. But then the problem is the string with the soft feeling and you can say 0.70 gauge, the more the thicker gauge, so the string will tend to lose the tension very easily. So you have to I mean, people are going for these strings because they are durable, they won't break easily. But the problem is it will affect the performance of your play, because the reason is these strings are really thick. So they are very, you can say, when you hit the shuttle, when you start playing with this, so the elasticity of this string, they extend, and they will just lose the tension. So like now it is strung at 26 lbs, the leaning number 7, but it will slowly and steadily start losing the tension, so it will affect the game. Less tension will give you less repulsion, because these strings are, as I said, these are durable strings but not with good repulsion power. Also talking about the feeling of the string, so let me tell you, this is a medium feeling string, Nano G95. and these two are soft feeling strings. So soft feeling strings, they won't offer value for your shots because the control over the shuttle will not be very good with these uh, soft feeling strings. Remember, there are three feeling strings. There are soft feeling and medium feeling like Nano G95 and BG68, and you can say many other strings. They are medium feeling and hard feeling like BG80, BG66. These are the hard feeling. So when you compare the hard feeling strings, hard feeling is when you hit the shuttle, so you will feel the power in you can say you can feel that you are hitting something. It will feel very hard in your hands. When you hit it, you will feel very hard in your hands. So this is about the hard feeling. And when we talk about the soft feeling, so when you will hit the shuttle, it will be very swift, but the problem is you won't get much value to your shots, because if you are hitting at this spot, there is a possibility that you may not hit this spot, because as I told you, low feeling the you can say the soft feeling strings, they won't offer the you can say uh, the precision. They won't offer the precision to strike on the point where you want to hit. So for that thing, hard feeling strings are way too good. But the hard feeling strings, their gauge is 0.68 to 0.65. So now we check out the rackets. So now this is my Flex Power Saber Blade Boost racket. This costed me around 1300 rupees, and I've also reviewed and unboxed this racket, so you can check it out. And I've used Nano G95 on this racket with a string tension of 28 lbs. Now this is my Finapi 232 Apex racket. I've also reviewed and unboxed this. You can check it out. So this racket costed me 1600 rupees, and I've used BG65 at around 27 lbs on this racket. Now this is the most popular racket, Nanoray Light 18i, very lightweight. I've again reviewed and unboxed this. So I've used leaning number 7 at 26 lbs on this racket. So now many people are asking that these durable strings, they won't just give you the performance, but the professional players are not using it. But let me remind you, many professional players like Japan's Akane Yamaguchi, India's Parupali Kashyap, they are using these BG65 and all only. Parupali Kashyap is surely using BG65 on his heavy head racket. Remember, if you are using a heavy head racket which is made for smashing, and if you are using BG65, that will just you can say balance your play. So it will be really good, and that depends on you, what is best suited for you and what is not. It all depends on your style of play. So also, when talking about I've already talked about the price of these strings, and I've told you what is good for you, what is not, what all factors are good and what all factors are not good. But I'll talk about what I feel when I play with these strings. So when I talk about leaning number 7 in this Yonex Nano Ray 18i, this is typically a singles and a double spray racket, because this is very lightweight and this is good for smashing. You can actually smash it. This is a not a head heavy racket, but because of the lightweight of this racket, this is really good for you. And at 1600 rupees, you can't ask for anything else. So when I play with leaning number 7, I won't generate much power. I mean, if I'm playing from the back court and the opponent is hitting shuttle to the back court continuously, the problem is you have to just generate much power from your wrist to push the shuttle to back court of your opponent. So if you're not really skilled, if you don't have power, if you are really tired, you won't just you can't just return the shuttle very easily, and you may end up getting a smash. So when we talk about the power, leaning number 7 won't offer you much power, and for smashing, just forget it. It won't offer you any power with this. But then if you are using this light racket, very light racket, it will help the cause of you. But if we talk about any other racket, if you get this string on any other racket, it won't help the cause, because this is very less powerful and it won't help your cause. Then we talk about BG65 on this Apex Finapi racket. BG65 is again a budget string, and it won't offer you, you can say, much pace with your shuttle. But the problem is this is very good from the leaning number 7. And if you are playing on the backcourt, of course you will push the shuttle and it will just offer you the shots. So it's not, it has got some power in the strings, and it will not be very easy but not very hard to push the shuttle. It all comes down to your wrist work and the power. So it won't take much of your power to hit the shuttle to the backcourt, and it is much better than this leaning number 7. But leaning number 7 is the most durable of them all because it feels very good in the hands. And these strings, I've gutted this racket for before, I think 2019, and it is still durable, it is still going on, so it's really good. So when we talk about the durability, leaning number 7 is the best, but performance not really good. And this is the middle, you can say, the budget shuttle, the budget string, the middle one in our segment. So BG65 is fine. When you talk about the power, for the smashes, it will do the job for you. In the outdoor courts, it will offer you power, but in the indoor front, it won't offer you much power. But you can use BG65 in the heavier rackets for you can say, for balancing your game, because Parupali Kashyap and other players, they use it and they are performing with these strings. So you can also, this is just a myth that the defensive string and the string with 0.70 gauge, they won't offer you much. That is just a myth. And now, last but not the least, you can see that these strings are bit thin. The gauge is just 0.1 mm thin, but this looks very rich when you see this. So this is the Nano G95, and you can say that it's a medium feeling string. And when you hit the shuttle to the backcourt, it will be really easy to hit the shuttle from these strings, because this feels a bit medium. The string feel a bit medium feel, and it will not be very hard for you to send a shuttle to the back corner, back line of the opponent court. So when we talk about the performance and the power, these strings are best, but the durability will be less. The durability of the leaning number 7 will be the best, but the performance will not be the best. So BG65 is our middle segment. The performance is the best, price is middle, and everything is good. So if you are to take my opinion on the durability and some performance, go with BG65. If you are just playing on the streets or on outdoor front and you are not really serious about your game, go for leaning number 7. It will last forever, I think, but it won't offer you power shots. So if you're not really disappointed after a loss and your performance, so it doesn't matter, you can go with this. But if performance matters to you, money is not a thing to you, you can go with Nano G95. It is durable, it will offer you power, and it will offer you smashes as well. So this is the best for the ones who are seeking for performance. And 450 rupees, this is really good. Last question people are asking, what is the best string tension which I can get on the racket? So let me tell you, 0.70 gauge strings, they will lose the tension very soon, so it doesn't matter. But when we talk about Nano G95, it won't tend to lose the tension very easily, but the tension comes down all to you. It's upon you how you play, your playing style. So I can just give you suggestion that if you are a beginner on outdoor court, you can go with 25 to 26 lbs. If you are a beginner on the indoor courts, you can go for up to 24 lbs. If you are an intermediate player on outdoor courts, you can go for 28 lbs. In indoor court, you can go for 26 lbs. And if you are a professional player, of course a professional player won't play outdoors, so if you are a professional player, you can go for 28 lbs to 30 lbs in these strings. That is the maximum. And Of course, if you are a professional player who is sponsored, you can go for 30 lbs, because as I said, your rackets will be sponsored, your strings will be sponsored, so you can change it with every game and it won't affect your monetary funds. So hope you like my video. If you did like, please subscribe to my channel, because I'll be coming up with more unboxing videos of badminton, drone and other products as well. And please keep wearing a mask. Please get vaccinated, because the fight is not over as yet with COVID. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye bye for now.